Hello friends, welcome to Triankush Learning Channel. Today we are going to learn formal letter writing. So let's start. Address, date, the editor, Hindustan Times of India, Mumbai. Subject, complaint for water logging due to rain. Respected sir, through the weekly column of your newspaper, I would like to draw your kind attention to the frequent water logging in our locality during rainy season. As the local residents of our area are facing a lot of difficulties from the past few weeks. It is just because of water logging. Keeping in view the upcoming monsoon season, the situation is expected to get worse, being disrupted, but the standing water has also become a breeding ground for mosquitoes, which is leading to many fatal diseases. We have requested the area committee many times, but the situation is still the same. We all are facing a tough time. Therefore, we request you to offer your kind attention to this matter and help us to live a peaceful life as soon as possible. Yours sincerely, XYZ. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.